So today we will be unboxing the BTS Season's Greetings 2020. I waited all day for this package. It is now 5:27, so the sun is gone, so I have to use this lighting around me. I hope you guys don't mind. But without any further ado, we will start unboxing this. Yay! Alrighty. I'm super excited. This will be my first ever Season's Greetings. So yes. Okay, toss that to the side. Okay, so this is the pre-order gift. It's the what do you call it? A mouse pad. So let me just see if you guys are in focus. Yes, they all look super cute. I use a MacBook Pro and I don't use the extra mouse. But you know, this will still be really cute to just display or something like that. Yay! Alright, now to the actual Season's Greetings. Oh my god, so excited. Just take this off. Alrighty, so just slide this off. This is the case. Okay. And then I guess we unbox like this. Okay. Righty, so first up we have, this is the planner. Where is the, oh, here we go. Okay, it's so pretty. It's glitter. You guys can see that. Okay. Be flipping this through together. Season's Greetings. So you have the 2020-2021 overview. Yearly plan for each month. Let's see here. Then we have the monthly view. Quickly flip this through. And then what is this? So this is a space to write some notes. If you do bullet journaling, you guys will like this. Okay, and then this is extra notes space. And then these are blank sheets right here without the and then here we have the 2020 greeting message. Of course they're all in Korean, so don't know what they're saying, but I will look it up. And now we have, the rest are photos. Oh my god, yay. You guys see that okay? Okay, so here we have the group. So cute. Oh my gosh. Here we have RM. Oh my god. He looks like an actual lemonade. So cute. We have V. He is so gorgeous. Look at his earrings though. Oh my god. Here we have Jin. Looking worldwide handsome as always. Here's the unit photo. They all look so great. We have Jiminy. Look at him being bougie AF with Chanel and YSL. We have Yoongi. He's holding a flower. Love his shirt. We have Hobie. I really like his sequins thing. Is it a sweater? Cardigan? So pretty. We have JK looking so soft. And then Unit. Here we have twinnies, Jin and Namjoon. All these outfits are so, so cute. We have V and Yoongi, also twinning with the green shirts. I just love these photo shoots. They look all so, so good. What a little baby. Oh my god. I was gonna say Yoongi. JK. And then these are some black and white photos. Wow. Oh my gosh, everyone. Like, wow. And then here you can put your name and info. Alrighty, so that is the little planner. This is super precious. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next we have the making DVD. That's what it looks like. It's just white and green. And then here we have the postcards. Oh my gosh. Saw other people's unboxings, and these were really cute. So first up we have Namjoon, and let's see. So it looks like this. And how cute! Oh my gosh. Next up is Yoongi. We have Jin. Aww. Look at his drawings. Oh my gosh. How adorable. We have Hobie. Little Jiminy. We have Tay. Oops. Oh, he signed his name right here. And then little JK. These are so cute. I love these postcards. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the back. Okay. So those are the postcards. So next up we have the lenticular, which I pulled Yoongi. Looks like. Whoops. Yep. Last time I ordered something from Big Hit, which was the Memories of 2018, I also pulled Yoongi, which was really funny. So I pulled Yoongi again for this one. Okay. These are mini posters. Yes, mini posters. Okay. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. So first we have Tae and Yoongi. Next we have JK, Jimin, and Hobie. Jinny and Namjoon. Yoongi. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Jin. Okay, this is probably unpopular opinion, but I think he looks so much better with this hair rather than the other photos in this package with the, you know, the fake mullet. Yeah, maybe it's just me, but I don't know. Doesn't he just look much better like this? Okay. Next we have Namjoon. Aww. Hobie. This, oops. This sweater looks so great on him. It looks so good in blue. Jiminy. Aww. Let me zoom out a little bit. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Tay. And then JK. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. Next is the sticker set. Let's pull this out. What's this? Oh, these are the ID photos. Totally forgot about these. So first up we have RM. Hey, Yoongi. Jin. Yeah, see, this is what I meant with the fake mullet. I think he looks better without it. Hobie. Jiminy. Tay. Oh my gosh, look at this little boy. And then JK. Yay, so these are super, super cute. So these are the 2 stickers. Let me just zoom you guys in so we can see each one. Oh my gosh, so, so cute. What the heck? No, these are all cute. Look at their faces. Oh my gosh. Obviously, I will never use these stickers. These will just be to look at and admire. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. I am obsessed. Last but not least, we have the desk calendar. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay. Flip this through together. So for January, we got Jin. And then there's some space for you to write some important dates or notes. Next we have JK. Namjoon for March. This little dimple. I'm gonna flip these through really fast, guys. For April we got Yoongi and Tae. Oh. Oh, we got color now. Okay, so May, Junie, Jin, and Tae. No, back to black and white. Weird. We have the whole group for June. Jimin, Jungkook, Hobie, and Yoongi for July. Namjoon and Jin for August. Jimin, JK, Hobie for September. October we got Tay Tay. And then November we got Yoongi. Wow, serious model over here. And then December, we got Hobie. And then, what is this? Oh, January of 2021, we have Jimin. Because I was going to say, I don't think each member had an individual month. But, yay! So that is the desk calendar. So that is it for today's unboxing video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel for future unboxings and hauls. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!